Hi there. So in this video, we are going to learn the basic of Dart programming. So if you already have experience in other programming languages like Python and Dart, you will pick up really easily. But if you are new, uh, then you then you might pick up, I think. So yeah. So basically, we will start from defining some variables. So, uh, so first we will define and the then. So this is one number. I don't want the right sequence. Define this. So, let's just first print out. Then, no. So. So right over here, this is the syntax for oops. So something like that. So let's just open one. So in the number of scan, it is on data. Where is the output? Is this in control? This is this everything. Okay, so clean it out, and then um, allow yes, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Our friend hello, our person, if you not what, so, so, let's see, let's just finger cross. Oh, I believe this will be really funny for you, I think. Okay, so it's no running again. What went wrong? Why can't you just write a simple hello world program in that programming language? How can I teach you? But bro, I can even just teach you how to write a hello world program. How can I teach you? No? Just watch other videos. Okay? So I'm pretty low, right? Let's see. Okay, so it's running now. Okay, so what went wrong? Secret fail with the local blah 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 blah. Okay, let's ignore the comments. So let's define integer. Integer is basically a number, and I will call it num. Then I will assign it 10. So now I will print the num in your end. So. Let's see if number is 10 below 100. Okay, let's just finger cross. Okay, so there is one. Okay, yeah, it is here actually. So, yeah, I think I am okay. This is I have not prepared.